Hi, good morning. I love you too. I love you too. I promise I do. Oh my goodness. The last 2 mornings, that's what my dog has been doing. Just jumping as high as he can, running onto me, and cuddling the crap out of me in the morning. It's adorable.
Where's the laser? Where's the laser? Where's the laser? There it is. Coco! Super Kitty! Oh, you ruined Super Kitty.
So my dog and cat have this weird little game that they play where they chase each other around, and the cat usually chases the dog after a while. And it's funny because when the dog figures out that the cat isn't chasing him anymore, he goes back to see where he is, and it's adorable. I'm gonna try and get some of it on film, but I don't know if it'll work, so we'll see. See? He wants him to follow him. That's not the cutest kitty face. I don't know what is. Mostly it's just the dog running around by himself. My dog is being so weird right now. Sorry, don't mind the pimples. I've had these for like a week. That's why I haven't vlogged actually much, but they're healing. So anyway, my dog is crazy. He's been grabbing toys like out of my closet, and he doesn't grab anything else. Like there's a bunch of other stuff in there, and he just grabs toys. And this has been going on for like days. And just toys. He just got another one. How does he like know just like what a toy looks like? And I mean, it's not like they're dog toys or anything, but hi. But he toys. It's weird. This is one of the things that he grabbed out of the closet. He obviously likes it. This is another thing that he grabbed out of the closet that he really likes. He just wants toys, but they're not even his toys. I don't understand how he picks toys out of the whole closet. So Basil has wanted a toy from my closet for a while. I see him getting excited over there. And he's been, I gotta duck because I don't want him to see. Okay, so I got him this. And it's got a little teeth treat thing. And it was super cute. And we got it actually cheaper than it was supposed to be because it was on the wrong shelf or whatever. But so I wanted to surprise Basil. Let's see how he likes it. Okay, Basil, guess what mommy got you? Guess what mommy and daddy got you? Ready? He automatically wants a treat. I love how happy he gets though. I will let you guys know if he likes it later.
I need to know that I'm stronger than I've ever never been.